So when I started coming to iVipnan, so like before that I was not at all knowing about the digital marketing course, and also I wanted to know about it. That's why I had searched about it everywhere. And the point where digital marketing was at that time on trend, and still it is, and it's still, and it will go for further. And so that's why I study from, I complete my BBA from Oro University. So I had asked my teacher, like Tannu Narang, she knew, and Bhautik sir had come to my college for one of our lectures. So at that time, I just got to know that even ma'am also shared that he also runs the course, and he also teaches very well and everything. So I contacted iVipnan, and then my journey of digital marketing started here, and it was great. And the experience, the class lectures, and knowing the theory as well as the practical knowledge, because everywhere if we go, we really just get to know the theory. But doing internship here, I really got to know a lot about the practical knowledge and how the market works and how the digital marketing goes all over the world. I'm handling few clients and their SEO work, their social media, doing their content writing, handling their article submission, doing the article submission, and classification ads and everything. So it was quite a practical knowledge which I really wanted, because जब तक ऐसा होता है कि theory तुम समझ तो जाते हो, पर जब तक you don't implement, you don't get the exact knowledge about it. So like when I heard about classified ads and the directory submission, article submission, I knew the theory part, but after doing practically, I really got to know the concept very well. Digital marketing, what I studied here, will definitely help me in my business. So thank you so much for all the mentoring and all the valuable insights which I could gather here from iVipnan and from all the mentors around, from all the teachers. So thank you so much.